Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download image from Google to PC, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to download image from Google to PC. First, just go to google.com and then in the search bar just type the image you are looking for. Okay, for example, luxury car, and then after that click images, and here you can select the image you want. Okay, for example this one, and you can see the image now in the right side. And then to copy the image, but before that just keep in mind about subject to copyright. But to download the image, just right click, after that click save image as, and then here you can change the file name, for example just car. After that click save. Yeah, it's already downloaded. And now if I go to the desktop, you can see the image, this one. Just double click. Yeah, here is the image. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to download image from Google to PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.